Login failed on Chip Business Fix. You open the Chip Business app ready to review your automated savings or cash flow, but you're hit with a login failed message. Annoying, right? The surprising truth is, most login failures on Chip aren't system errors. Hire simple issues that you can fix yourself in minutes. Start with your login details. Double check your email and password. Chip passwords are case sensitive. If you're unsure, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. This simple step solves most failed login attempts. Next, make sure your app is fully updated. Chip regularly improves its security, and outdated app versions often stop working properly. Go to your App Store or Google Play, update the app, and then restart your phone before logging in again. Network problems are another common cause. If you're on public Wi-Fi or using a VPN, Chip security may block your access. Disable the VPN and try a stable mobile data or home Wi-Fi connection instead. If the problem continues, clear your app's cache. On Android, you can do this from the app settings. For iPhone users, reinstalling the app works best. This clears out any corrupted temporary files. Chip also uses strong device verification. If you've recently changed phones or updated your system, you may need to confirm your identity again. Check your registered email or SMS for a security link. Lastly, if you've entered your password incorrectly several times, Chip might temporarily lock your account for protection. Wait 15 minutes before retrying to avoid triggering another block. Once you regain access, consider turning on biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint access. It's not just faster, it also reduces failed logins caused by mistyped passwords. So next time you see login failed, don't panic. With a quick password reset, app update, and a stable network, your Chip Business account will be back up and running smoothly.